Okay guys, this is my little padlock. Yeah, it's my first one. Yeah, it's a padlock. So it's locked now, and you need the key to unlock it. You could just stick a normal axle or something, but yeah, this is my key. So push it in, turn it clockwise. No, unlock. Yeah. Push it back in. Turn it back. No, it's locked. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the mechanism. Okay? Simple as that. It's very light, you know. Yeah, so it's just like that. See? It's locked. Can't open it. See? And then key inside. Then see, it just turns this thing together. Then look, it's locked. It's as simple as that. I'm going to show you some, some other people's padlock, Lego padlock. You could just shake it and you could unlock it back. But mine is a little different, you know. Here, the piece here. Yeah, here. I know you can't really see it, but it actually locks it. You hear a click. Hear it? Yeah, I hope you hear it. It's a click that, it's kind of hard. You can't shake. Oops. See? You can't really shake it to unlock it. See? It just won't go down. Yeah. You can't shake it. So yeah, this is my Lego padlock. So thanks for watching and bye.